Hi, I'm Tammy Rhodes, and I'm glad that you have found my art channel. I also have another channel called Debbie Tammy Creations that I share my jewelry making, wire wrapping with my daughter Debbie. We have a little business doing that. But with the art channel, I'm doing a lot of painting. I do pet portraits and I do abstract pour painting, pouring the paint. I also do acrylic landscapes and florals, and I'm trying lots of different things. In 2021, I was introduced to cold wax and oil painting, which uses oil paint mixed with, it's like a beeswax, and you scrape it over your painting surface, and then you can peel back the layers with different tools, and it's just really a lot of fun. So I'm trying to share different types of painting with you, and I'm learning too. So sometimes things don't work out the way I planned, but they do work out in the end. So I'll share those with you when I can. I also have a Facebook group, so if you go to Facebook and in the little search bar you put in Tammy Rhodes Fine Art, you should find my group. And if you join, then you get VIP pricing. And I know a lot of people have gotten pet portraits from me through there. So you just send a few pictures of your pet, and then I will do in different sizes depending on what you like and your budget. So anyway, thank you for being here, and I hope that you find something here that you enjoy. If there's anything you're curious about or would like to learn more about, let me know in the comments, because I'm trying lots of different things and we can work on them together. Thank you.